Right. Right. So friends, here the rule for AP is difference between any two consecutive terms. Any two, this word is important, consecutive terms is constant. In a sequence, if difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, we call it as arithmetic progression. What is general APDS? What is general AP? Can anybody say? Small a plus d, a plus 2d, etc., etc., etc. So it is called general AP. Yes, friends. So this is called our first term. This is called our A1, A2, A3, etc. Now, please. Friends, A1 is A, A2 is A plus D, A3 is A plus 2D, dears. Okay. Yes or no? If you go on like this, what is AN? Okay. If there is a 3 here, A3, A2, A3 like this. Friends, here, first there are two components. This is the first component, this is second component. And there is a plus is a uniform sign across all. Therefore, first I put that sign plus. Then there is a, so write a here. And but a is a common constant across all. I wrote a, plus is constant across all, plus I wrote. But when you see, D is also constant. D is a constant, but D what a coefficient is not constant. If there is a 1 year, there is a 0 year. If there is a 2 year, 1 year, 3 year, 2 year, n year, what should you get, my year? Is it clear? Preeti? Is it clear, Path?
Yes, sir.
Preeti, is it clear? Yeah, Arpit, okay, nice. Preeti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, friends, here, this is my first term, this is my second term, this is my third term. The first term is only A only. 0 into D is 0. This is my general AP. Then what is the AN stands for? Nth term. This is called AN stands for nth term. A1 stands for first term. A2 stands for second term. And we are fixing A1 equal to A for a general purpose. For a general purpose. There is no rule that you should take only A as the first term. No. You can take B, B plus D, B plus 2D. Common difference also, you need not take only D. You can take anything. This is our assumption. Okay. D is the difference. D. That's all. Okay. I hope this is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Right. So, AP or nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D term. Okay. A plus n minus 1 into D. That is your nth term here. Then, see, let us take one sequence and find its nth term here. Friends, 2, 7, 11, sorry, 2, 7, 12, etc., etc. is an APDS. Find 20th term. So friends, here, just now I told AN is nothing but A plus n minus 1 into D. A20 is nothing but A plus 20 minus 1. That is called 19D. All of you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Then, when I take the sequence here like this is my first term, my A is 2ds. And my common difference is either 7 minus 2 or 12 minus 7.
5.
So 12 minus 5. Friends, here, once he has promised it is AP, you can take difference between any two consecutive terms. One term the kutrikana po. 3 is the minimum bare necessity for once he commits for AP, it has to follow the rule. Okay, there's no need of writing all the terms of AP. Okay, friends, so A plus 19 dima, A is called 2ds and 19 into D. This is 95. And follow the BODMAS rule. First multiplication, then addition. That's all, yes. So 20th term is 97 for this term. Take this one, take this is one AP. And what is the find the 20th term, yes? So several beautiful examples are there in this model. Jivit has come, wonderful. Jivit. Jivit. No. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pa, right. So are you listening, right? Able to listen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question, ma, okay. This question is simple one. I have done it. Next, let us take some better question. Okay, please. And also, for please, app is ready. Kindly start using it. All of you downloaded. Preeti, you have done it, right? Because you are not the school student. Everybody knows the other school students. Knows Arpit has done it, of course. Yeah. So every day, ma, there will be an online test, ma. Every day there will be online test, only objective. Okay. So we will have, say, 1 hour to 1 hour 10 minutes class, and then 20 minutes as test. Okay. I'll create in just 5 minutes and send you. Okay. 15 minutes you can write, or 15-20 minutes you can write it. Time will be mentioned. Okay. Immediate start panna. Okay. Please don't delay it. So today we will be sequences la vandu test nadakum, please. Illa venda sir straight lines la kodungana, I'll give it in straight lines. How do you want? You tell me at the end of the class. Okay. Today we started sequences, so better we will give a sequences now. Okay. Chinna question I'll be asking. Every day there will be a test, online test, only objective, because our term 1 exam is only objective. Yes. Right. Friends, here let me ask one more question, please. Very interesting one now, please. Minus 100 minus 102.5. What the hell I am writing? Okay. Minus 98.5 minus 97, etc. Yes. So please, is 0 is the term of an AP. 0 is a term of an AP. Please check it now. So beautiful question part number 2. Minus 100 minus 98.5 minus 97. If you write it, you will get it. Okay, it will take half an hour. But how to do now? You take your A as minus 100. And what is your D, ma? Minus 98.5 plus minus of minus, right? Minus of minus 100. D is nothing but what? Yes, T2 minus T1 or A2 minus A1. Either you can use T2 minus T1 or A2 minus A1. This sounds good for me. Of course, book you just like this. Second minus first. Second minus first. So second is minus 98.5 minus negative of 100 is plus 100. So minus 98.5 plus 100. What do you get now? 1.5 or 3 by 2 ds. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Right. So you know A is 100 minus 100 and D is 3 by 2 ds. D is 3 by 2. These are the two things. But what do you take this 0 ds?
AN, sir.
Excellent. So whether this 0 fit here or not, let us take it fits there and take it as AN, okay? AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1 into D. Friends, take that 0 or whatever they ask, okay? Check whether the given number, given term is the given number is the term of an AP or not. So in that case, you should take that number as what, ma? AN equal to 0 ds. AN equal to 0 now, please. This also given mark. These three things are given to you, ds. Friends, now use this is the formula for us. Friends, here AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 0 minus 100 plus N minus 1 தெரியாது. D என்றது my 3 by 2. In the minus 100 இப்படி transpose பண்ணுங்க, you get 100. N minus 1 into 3 by 2, which becomes N minus 1 into 3 is nothing but 200, which further implies N minus 1 equal to 200 by 3. N minus 1 is an integer. N minus 1 is an integer. N is a natural number. Please let us put it like this. Friends, here N is a natural number, man. First term, second term, third term, 100th term. Please follow. N is a natural number. N minus 1 belongs to natural numbers. 200 by 3 does not belong to natural number. Yes or no, yes?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, just you can write, you can do it as it is. N minus 1 is 200 by 3. N equal to 200 by 3 plus 1. That is called 203 by 3. So, N is a decimal. What do you get, ma? 63 6 are 18 and 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18, 23 and 3 7s are 21. 6 6 6 6 6 1. So, this is how N we get 67.666. Not N must be a natural number. N must be natural number. Therefore, 0 cannot be. N is 67.6666 is wrong, my dear. So N cannot be. Therefore, 0 cannot be in the sequence, my dear. This is the question mark. This is the question. Is 0 the term of an AP? Is 0 the term of an AP means no. 0 is not the term of an AP. This is a beautiful question. Okay. Right. Next question will come up, please. Okay. Take this. You are able to follow, right?
Yes, sir.
The beautiful point is N must be a natural number. Note this point. N must be a natural number. First term, second term, 10th term, 12th term, like that. Okay. I hope it is done. So N must be a natural number, but you are getting N is a fraction. Okay. N is a fraction. Therefore, it cannot be. 0 cannot be. If 0 is the term of this one, I would have got N is say some 20th term, 30th term, like that. 20, 19th term, 21st term, 22nd term, like that. But in this case, we are getting n as some 65 point something, 67 point. So that's why n cannot be a fraction. Therefore, 0 cannot be the term of an APDS. Okay. Right. Next one, I'll just try it. Okay, whether I will get that sum or not, rhythm or not. Let us see. 10, 100, 80, 60, etc., etc. Okay. Hold on. First of all, head it should have a numbers in the head. Okay. Sum of certain number of terms is 400 ma. Sum of certain number of terms is 400. What are the possible values of NDS? What are the possible values of N? See, I said here certain number of terms. I didn't say how many terms I have taken. At the same time, I am asking you what are the possible values of N. N has got more than one value. That's called double N. Okay, double value for N. Okay, two values are double values for N. This is a very interesting one, puppies. So, see, very simple. First one is if I take this is 60, this is 40, right? If you take these 5 terms, you get a 400. Middle term is 80, 85 are 400. But that's how I frame the question, please. Okay? Technique. But what are the possible values of NDS? So, just I'll write it now just for your sake. So, normally they give only 3 terms. I just made 5 terms. Okay. But anyway, 400 and the middle term should be 80 and in the 60, 20. So I can write 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 60. Like that it will be there, right? Friends, this is enough. Okay, enough. Friends, these are the sum of the 5 terms is 400. Not only that, you take the remaining terms. Can anybody tell up to this how many terms are there, please? Anybody? Up to 10, how many terms are there? Please, one of you open your mouth and say. Up to 10, how many terms? Yes, Pa?
10, sir.
10 terms.
Brilliant. 10 terms. You divide 10 with 10, you get 1. Divide 100 with 10, you get a 10 marks. So that's called 1 to 10. Okay? 10 terms are there, friends. And after that, you have several other terms are there. Plus 50 cancel with minus 50. Minus 40. That's why you are getting double value for So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 10 terms. And 0. Okay, sum of 5 terms is 100. This in the 5, in the 5, in the 5. 15 plus 1, 16 terms. My yes, 16 is also 400 years. For me, this is a beautiful thing or not, you tell me. So, n can be 5 or 16. This is a very, very peculiar one, yes. Very, very different one. All of you clear with me, please?
Yes, sir.
Sum of the certain number of terms is 400 for this AP. They won't, this is possible only for decreasing series. Note down this point. This is possible only for decreasing series. You will have two values for n mark. Okay, only for decreasing series. Note panikonga. So n is 5 and 16. I have, because we didn't do the sum of the n terms, I didn't go for the formula. I will come to that formula, then we will of course do method also. Okay, right. Shall I repeat over?
Yes, sir.
Right. So next one we will do the sum of n terms formula also. Okay. Sum of n terms. Okay. They tell beautiful story on the sum of n terms story about a scientist. I don't know what's his name. Maybe he must be Einstein, I think, or Newton. One of them. Famous scientists. They say like this one. See, teacher gave the numbers like this for 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100. Okay. He asked them to add, okay, all these 100 mark. What is sum of these 100 numbers? You know what he has done? He has done like this. First is sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to 100. And same sum, he written the reverse. Same term, just you are doing a reversing, right? Reversing the sequence, okay? Then you get 2s. You add the corresponding terms, first term, second term, third terms. You get 101, 101, 101. Again, you will have only 100 terms are there. Yes or no? 1, 2, up to 100. So 100 terms are there. So 2s is nothing but 100 into 101. S is nothing but what? 100 into 101 by 2. That is called 50 into 101. That is called 5050. What a brilliant question. See, that's why he is a scientist. Right. Is it clear, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Now, how we are going to derive this SN formula? So I'll take a general AP and I will find out sum. How beautiful it is, Marcus. How beautiful. There is a pattern, right? There is a rhythm. Shall I repeat? Please take this. I'll just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, boss, shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Right. Same thing, man. Let us derive the formula for same. Let us follow him and derive the formula for SN now. Okay. So, friends, here our sequence is A plus B, A plus 2B, etc., etc. Let us take A plus N minus. This is my last term, right? The nth term is also called as the last term. Nth term is also called as the general term, right? an, a plus n minus 1 into d is called as what? Nth term, or a last term, or a general term, right? These are all the various names. You can call this of A and L also you can call. If you want to write the D answer, if you want to write the formula for D, you can write L minus A by n minus 1. This also it constitutes another problem, yes. Another formula. Okay? Right. Friends, here, this is my sequence mark. This is my sequence. Right? So let me put sum of these n terms here. Sum of these n terms. This is called sum of the given first n terms for the sequence mark. Sum of the first n terms of the sequence, or simply n terms of the sequence here. So I will write A and add all of them. That's called sum, right? S stands for sum. A plus D plus A plus 2D, etc., etc. A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So what I do is I take first two terms and last two terms. Okay. A plus n minus 2 into D. Do you agree, my D? Is the last part? Last before is what? Is n minus 1, is n minus 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
First term, this is called second term, this is called nth term, and this is called a n minus 1 term. Yes or no? So friends, as we have done same sequence, I will add differently. I will write the last term as my first term, yes. A plus n minus 1 into d. This next one I will write this one. A plus n minus 2 into d. Right? Plus dot 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 dot. A one last mile. A plus d mile. That's all this. So you add these corresponding terms, you get 2Sn here. A plus n minus 1. I just, if you want, I'll write it separately, or it will get you just to oppose me if you are not understood. A plus A is 2A plus n minus 1 d. This is one term, yes. I hope you understood. I think S3 is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3. S3 is nothing but 3 plus 2 plus 1. If there are 3 terms here and 3 terms here, and I find 2S3, you get only 3 terms, right? 4 plus 4 plus 4 more, you get only 3 terms. So, and each sum is same. Each sum is same. 2A. The A plus A is 2A, and this add panna, you get a n minus 1 into dds. This is my. So you will find that all these n terms are same, yes. How many terms are there in this map? Please tell me.
N term, sir.
Yes, sir. 2Sn equals to, this term is not repeating, dears. See, now when I say 2S3 is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4, now how much you get, this one? 3 into 4 or not?
Yes, sir.
Because 4 is repeated 3 times. Here, 2A plus n minus 1 to d is repeated n times, my dears. Yes or no? Repeated
Yes, sir.
n times. Therefore, I have to multiply. So now, friends, what is Sn? Sn, 2Sn is this one. Sn is which implies Sn equal to by 2 or n by 2 just 2 on the denominator n by 2 bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for Sn minus formula. How beautiful the gentleman has given us, right? Right, fast, come on. If it is over, I can start with SN formula of AP is done. Okay. Over.
Yes,
I
sir.
think you please all of you take it now. 2 minutes edutkonga, please. It's not bad. Two minutes. Take it. Is it over, ma? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, if you have taken this, and can you please tell me and write this formula neatly and once again, and you please explain each term of the sequence, each term of the formula, dears. You got Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What are the terms in the formula, dears? Sn first, then a, then d, then n. These are the various things are there. Each one, what does it stands for? First, n. N stands for what, ma, please? Anybody?
Number of terms.
Brilliant. Number of terms. D stands for what, ma?
Common difference, sir.
Common difference.
Brilliant. Common difference. A stands for what?
First term, sir.
First term. Brilliant. And Sn stands for
Sum of the
n
terms.
terms.
sum of n terms. Brilliant. Sum of n terms. Sum of first n terms. That is actually, we should say that sum of first, and sequence can have any number of terms. Okay. We are taking first n terms. That's actually sum of first n terms. Chumma pon sum of n terms pon, okay, chumma overaction, okay. Right. So that's our formula for SNDS. Friends, in the SN, we can manipulate this SN beautifully, please. So these things also, please write it. Friends, here, can I write Sn is n by 2? This a plus a, can I write, ma, please?
Yes, sir.
What is this called? Hey, k kya hai? Yeah. A plus a, and this is n minus 1 d. What is this one is called, ma?
Nth term.
Yeah, an, right? A plus an, or n by 2. This is called first term and this is called last term. Yes or no? F stands for first term,
Yes, sir.
F stands for last term. Therefore, your Sn has become so simple now. N by 2 into a plus l. Correct? A and first term, l and last term, my dears. Wow, nth term. Is it okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done, dears. Next one. If it is over, kindly take it, ma. All of you take it. So A stands for first term, L stands for last term, dears. Okay. And then last term and nth term, okay. Further, ma, please. Further, pona, please. Friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ma. How many terms are there in the sequence, ma, please?
5, sir.
N equal to 5. Okay, brilliant. What is the average of the sequence, ma, please? Average of sequence means what? Sum by n, correct? So n is 5 here, the sum by 5, ma. All numbers sum pannupa 6, 8, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. 15 by 3, right? 15 by 5, right? So what is this, ma? 15 by 5 is what? 3. Is it not middle term, dears?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, friends, Sn equals to n by 2. Yes or no? First term is 1 and last term is 5. You need n by 2 into first and the last one. N is also 5. Is it right? 5 into 1 plus 5 by 2, pa? Is it right? Is it right? 5 into what is the average I got earlier? 3, right?
Yes, sir.
What is 1 plus 5 by 2 is what? Average, right? Yeah. Okay. So friends, here I can write this Sn as now n by 2 into average, that's it. Or this average is nothing but what, ma? Middle term or not?
Yes, sir.
That is called TM. TM stands for what, pa? Middle term. Middle term. Aha. What a brilliant one. So you can write this one, or you can write Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. This a plus l by 2 you can write n into 2 varadama 2 into tm. That's it. 2. N into average, n into middle term. So you can write n into a plus l by 2. This a plus l by 2 can be said as the average or middle term by anything. You can call DS. These are the various formula. Is it okay? Or this also okay? This is nothing but a plus l by 2 can be written as either middle term or you can take it as average. Okay? That's a brilliant one, really. Sorry. Yeah, can I go further?
Yes, sir.
But this formula you need to remember, this is must. In a plus l by 2 you could remember, but in the middle and the average okay, that's choice to you. But it's a beautiful feature actually. This feature is so beautiful. Right. And you observe this Sn and An. Okay, Sn is already here. When I write An here, An is a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us assume that, not assume, let us consider that this equation is in n. N is the variable in okay? Because n is here, okay? N is here. So, if I take n as a variable, yes, n as a variable, n as a variable, a plus, are you able to see these letters? Are they too small or what? Are you able to see the handwriting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, please. So Sn is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. An is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. Both of them are in terms of n. Both of them are functions of n. Both of them are functions of n. புரிஞ்சுக்கோ எதுக்கு சார் அப்படி சொல்றீங்கன்னா I can write S1, n is 1. I can write S plus 0d, right? A plus 0d. S2, A plus 2 minus 1 is 1d. In the matter, you can generate it. Yes or no, please? Hey, what am I writing here, please? Yes, send formula am I adding? Please. Arpit, you are today absent. What is happening?
No, sir, I'm listening, sir.
Okay. Friends, here, what I mean is a function of n, because n is here, n is here, n is here. Therefore, it is a function of, the variable is n, my dear. Variable is n. Okay. There are two variables here. One is, of course, an changes, depends on n. Okay. A and d are constants there. Okay. So whatever Sn and an are in the variable functions of n, my dears. Sn and an are functions of n dears. Okay, functions of n. What am I doing now, Anna? Please. You tell me. Sn is Sn an. Two things are there. I wrote two things here. Linear expression, and this is a quadratic expression I am writing. So you match these two, my dears. In the rendu match pannunga. Which is linear function, which is linear expression, other one is quadratic expression. Which is that, matrix? How do you match it?
Sir, an is linear and Sn is quadratic.
Brilliant, sir. Brilliant, sir. Sn is a quadratic and an is a linear, matrix. Why anna? The n power 1 irukku parunga. Therefore, it is a linear function, linear expression. Again, you Sn pata, Sn you take this n by 2 inside, n into n minus 1 into d, that's it. 2 cancel. An, n into n is n square d minus nd, So this n square and n, so n you take common here, a minus d plus n square d, please. So you can write in order if you want. N square d, dn square plus a minus d into n. So now n square is there, so it's a quadratic expression, and an is a plus n minus 1 into d, and I can say that it's a linear expression because n power 1 is a linear expression. Therefore, very, very interesting one, yes. Very, very interesting one. Sn is a quadratic, an is a linear modulus. Make a note of it, yes. Is it clear, Pa?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you taking? Yeah. So what matters is n here. N has got second degree, n is a second degree here, and n is a 1 degree here. Therefore, it's a linear, and therefore it's a quadratic. So this is also very, very interesting one. About AP we are talking, okay? Sn now. Shall I wrap this now, please? I'm going for another beautiful, interesting formula. Not exactly formula, using the given formulation. This is Sn minus Sn of S of n minus 1. What is this, please? Can you please tell me what is it?
AN, sir.
Brilliant. AN or TN, nth term, yes. Sn minus Sn. I will write like this. S4 minus S3. What do you get, my year?
A4.
Please. A4. Brilliant answer. A4. Yes. Sn, AN. S4, A4. Ma. That's a brilliant mark. Please, no doubt. No doubt this. Oh, Krishna. பாருங்க S4 minus S3 is A4. எப்படி என்ன பாருங்க நீங்க just you see this. I'll write some different sequence 1, 3, 5, 7. What is sum of 4 terms, dear? Sum of 4 terms? 16 part. What is sum of first 3 terms? See, this is why I told when I say 3 terms, which 3 terms? Is it last 3 terms or first 3 terms? That's why I showed first 3 terms. Okay, please. Sum of first n terms. So it's called 8 plus 1, 9 years. What is S4 minus S3? You get ma? 16 minus 9. That is 7. What is the 7 is called? A4. That's why it's called A4 years. Wow. Is it clear? It's a wonderful formula, yes, wonderful formula. Amazing one. Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Please note the command, the formula, beautiful ones. Next one, of course, another beautiful concept in this AP is one plus 3. How many terms are there here? 2 terms, right? Sum of 2 terms, right? What do you get here? 1 plus 3? 4. So what do you get here? Yes, 5. 5 odd terms I am taking it. 4, sorry, 4. Yes, 4. So what do you get, ma? This is already 9. 9 plus 7, 16, ma. What is 4 is called? 2 square. 9 is called 3 square. 4, 16 is called 4 square. Suppose if I have Sn 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. 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 That is called 2n minus 1. Okay? 2n minus 1. Then what is the answer here, ma, please? Think and tell, please. So what is the answer, please?
Sir, 2n minus 1 the whole square.
No. Then I should have told 7 square, right? 5 square I should have told. 4 square. 3 square. 2 square. How many
No,
odd
sir,
numbers I
just
have?
n square. N square, sir.
That's all. N square, please. That is a brilliant. This is called sum of first n odd numbers, please. Sum of, write down, please. Sum of first n odd natural numbers. First n odd natural numbers is n square. Same way, sum of first n even natural numbers is n into n minus 1, dears. N into n minus 1. Just if you expand it, you get n square minus n power. m square minus n. These are odd natural numbers, beautiful formula. Clear? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Next one, please. Friends, sometimes, right, if I give you 3 terms of AP, 5 terms of AP, 7 terms of AP, right, like this odd number of terms, n is odd mark. If n is odd, we can take AP as, AP as A is the middle term, A plus D, A minus D when n equal to 3. If there are only 3 terms in AP, writing the middle term as A is the beautiful thing, please. Writing the middle term as A. When there are 3 terms, 3 plus 1 by 2 is what? 2. That means second term is A. When n is 5, 5 plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2, third term is A. That means this side 2 terms, this side 2 terms. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The advantage of taking this S3 and S5 is, add these 3 terms, what do you get, ma? Add these 5 terms. That's all.
5A.
5A. That's it, ma. Take 7 terms, 7A. This is the feature of n is odd. So when there are 3 terms in AP, the question is like this: 3 terms in AP, na? Don't go for A plus D, A plus 2D like that. Okay, go for middle term is A, and this side 1, this side 1. This is called symmetrically arranged. So beautifully arranged, and sum becomes beautiful. Sum is the A. That's it. 3 times the middle term. 5 times the middle term. Similarly, sir, what about even number of terms they give? Okay. So, if you have taken this, I'll go for, if 4 terms is given, 6 terms is given, 8 terms is given, how do you do? How do you take the terms? Okay, let us see. If n is even, friends, here let us take 4 terms, which is very, very common, n equal to 4. Here you can't take middle, there's no middle term there. When n is even, you don't have a middle term, you have 2 middle terms there. Therefore, what we do is, formula is very, very interesting, very, very interesting. A plus D, A plus 3D, A minus D. The idea is here, you should see that there is a symmetry. What is S forma now? Once again, sum is beautiful. Not only that, product is beautiful. Product of the extremes. Wow. Wow. How beautiful it is. When they are asked the product of the first and last, the same as the product of the middles. Wow. What a question it is. So, friends, but what is the common difference here, ma? 2D. That is the beautiful thing, ma, please. That is the beautiful thing. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
If they ask you to take 4 terms, okay? A plus D, A plus 3D, A minus D, A minus 3D. Okay? This is the advantage for us when we have a problems on APDS. Then ABCR in AP, my dears, ABCR in AP. Is it right? B minus A minus this is same as this minus this. Do you agree? This is the AP definition, right? Difference of any two consecutive terms is same as is a constant, right? Difference of any two consecutive terms is constant, my dears. Yes. Therefore, friends, you take B here, you get a 2B equal to A plus C, right? It is nothing but 2 times the middle term, right? Is equal to sum of extremes. So this is the condition for AP, my dears. Right on mark. This is the condition for AP. If ABC are in AP, 2B equal to A plus C. This implies this or this implies this, not this. If ABC are in AP, you can write like this. If ABC are in AP, then 2B equal to A plus C. Or if 2B equal to A plus C, then ABC are in AP. இந்த மாதிரி சொல்லலாம். ஓகேவா? Please write down. Okay, Pa, then I'll give a question, some questions on AP today. I have done AP, all the concepts, but without doing any problem. I have done some problems, okay, just oral problems. And for 5 to 10 questions, I'll give it, Ma. 5 to 10 questions. இப்பவே நீங்க ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்க. 6:30 குள்ளவே ஆன்சர் பண்ணலாம், okay? Just over 10 minutes side over that, 10 to 15 minutes side over that, okay? I'll take 5 minutes to set the paper, and you can kill it in 15 minutes. Now it's 20 minutes time left, okay? 24 minutes time left. So I think we will take now leave, and lots of things I have covered in AP, okay? Beautifully we have covered it. Amazing concepts we have done it today. But that one more is there. I don't know whether I could give it now. Yes, let me give that. Yeah, okay. Wow, let us see this. I hope you have taken, right?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
அடுத்தது வரணுமா பாருங்க.
Yes.
Next வந்து there are okay. Yeah. Okay. Some ratio is given, by the way. Some ratio is given 2n plus 1 whole square. I mean, don't know whether this will work for AP or not. Whatever. 3n square, right? 3n square, not 3 plus 2, 5. This is called A. S1. S2, the sum of two terms. 4, 12, 14. 14 minus 5, 9. That means 5, 9. S3. 27, 29. Then it is 29 minus 14 is what? 15 you get, right? So S3 is you get 15, so it won't come. 13 should come. So I don't think what I am taking is not correct. M terms, right? So right. Better take. Okay, well, I'll just do this question tomorrow. If I have a question ready, then I can kill it anyway. I'll give a concept in a neatly beautiful way. So I'll give a test now. Please go for it. All the best, dears. Thank you very much. And 20 minutes left now. I think I'll give a test now. Go for it. Please, each and everybody should attempt now, please. Okay. Don't worry about your marks. Okay. I will see, I'll keep it secret. Doesn't matter. Okay. Doesn't matter. Let us be fair and free and fair now. Okay. Right, dears. All the best. Thank you. And see you again day after